Hi, this is just a quick video to show you how to put together the free Slimline envelope from Simply Crafty SVGs. So this is a super simple envelope, this free Slimline card envelope, which is essentially a number 10 envelope. So for this, I cut it with the pattern size down. So I have a Christmas pattern on one side, but I did it down so when we glue it together you'll see the pretty stuff inside. So I saw this tip on a Facebook group. I never thought about that, so I decided to use it because I like to have white on the outside when I send, so it's kind of cool. So you just fold it on the score lines, and then the bigger part is the bottom piece. So we go ahead, and the way I usually do with envelopes, fold these two sides in, then add glue in here, and I usually just kind of see where it ends. Just adding a little bit of glue. And sometimes I just hit this little corner right here. So it's just a quick way that you can cut it out on your die cutting machine. I just kind of see where it ends again, and then I add glue down there. Just try not to add glue in the inside so you can actually insert your card. So there it is. Let me get a card to show you. So we have one of our Slimline cards that it's a holiday coffee cup, so that just slides in there, and then you can seal it with a little bit just right here with glue, or that's it. So you can get that free on our website, and this is a card that you can purchase, a little Christmas card. So it's one of our, it's our holiday coffee card for Slimline cards. So I hope you enjoy this freebie, and thank you so much for watching.